We're at Hoërskool Linden today as part of our homecoming series with Morne van den Berg, which happens to be his alma mater.
Dis 'n ingebore trots by Suid-Afrikaners om soos met die hoërskool te gaan vir jou skool se eerste span te speel. Dis natuurlik die rugby op die hoogste vlak. Vandat Morne sy eerste call-up gekry het na die Springbokke toe, het was 'n ongelooflike groot ding hier gewees.
And that's grassroots of greatness in action, and bringing him back so that the young learners here as well can believe a person who is very close to them was in this hall, was on those fields, and actually just get nuggets of inspiration.
When I come back here, I appreciate this place so much.
Iets wat vir Linden vir my so uitstaan is, ons regte plek vir almal hier binne. Is dit asof sport, kultuur, akademie.
I'm a big believer in the school developing the whole person, not just about developing rugby players, but really developing young boys and girls that go into the world and can really make a success themselves.
Ons gaan lekker as 'n span baan vir soos die laaste keer. Ek dink dis amper ons laaste funksie as 'n eerste span. Ons maak seker sterk baan.
To have not only the learners here in the first team, but for the parents, a lot of them do know about eBucks, but are under leveraging the value that sits there. So we thought, let's bring in then our teams from Kudu, Pick n Pay, Takealot and Mr. D, so that they can also actually just show them how their solutions actually support their lives on a daily basis.
FNB and my company's been partners for 54 years, but what I love most is the fact that FNB and my children's school has partnered with this great initiative, and that's a match made in heaven.
Go full out for rugby, but then go full out for whatever you do as well. Go full out for studies, go full out in business, go full out in your family. Don't have a backup plan, just dominate everything you do.
Om krappies te hoor daar opbraak, dis maar 'n motiverende gevoel.
Morne, ons het aan die ander kant van hom geleer.
Ek verwag net die vir die res van my lewe onthou.
Ek dink die tradisie agter die try het net 'n hupstoot gekry met Morne wat nou Springbok speel en die leerders koppel dit ook as 'n tipe pathway aan hulle self.